Hi everyone, welcome to Rollout Savings. I'm Danielle and I am here with our Dollar General couponing deals. These are deals you can do any day this week, and these deals started today, the 3rd of February. Up first, we have 2 Doritos and 3 of the Progresso for $10. Our next food deal is actually 2 Bagel Bites, 2 of the Velveeta and 2 of the Klondike. My picture got messed up here, I'm sorry, and that's $14.70. Then you can get 3 of the Pepsi 12 packs. There are other flavors that do attach, so make sure you scan to see which ones are included in the sale, and you would pay $11. And the same thing here for the 7-Up. You can get 3. There are other flavors. Make sure you scan. They are $11. For this deal here, you're going to pay $6.95. You're going to get the 2-pack of the Speed Stick. That's the Irish Springs one. The Palmer's Complexion Bar, and the Bic Flex 3 razors. Now on that deal, I did have to go in through the Palmer's coupon in order to find that beauty bar that did attach, or the complexion bar. So as always, make sure you're scanning once you're in store. I will have those tips at the end of this video as well. This next deal, you're going to pay $5.35. This is the $7.35 Herbal Essence Rose Hip Smoothing Shampoo, and it will be $5.35. For $9.50, you can get your Poise pads and 2 of the Carefree liners. Up next, we have 2 Whole Blends and a Nivea lotion for just $10. And you can do the different fragrances that they have on those as long as they attach to your coupon. Also for $10, you can get 2 of the Whole Blends plus a Bic Soleil razor. For $7, you can get 2 Tresemme. You can get shampoo and conditioner, all shampoo or all conditioner, mix and match on that as long as it attaches. For this deal here, $7.90, you're going to get your Tide Rinse and the Tide Pods. We have the store coupon plus the manufacturer coupons on those. I have heard that Tide Rinse and the Downy Rinse, you're able to get 2 of those instead of 1 of those and the pods. I have not been able to test that for you though, so you can try it in store if you would like, but just know I have not been able to test that. Up next, for $7.45, you can get the $10.50 size Dreft detergent. Then we have pay $12 and get back $4 in cash back. That's DG cash back for the All in the Snuggle, so make sure you have all those offers clipped. For $12.95 plus $2 cash back, you get your Purex and your Persil with coupons and the cash back, so make sure you have those clipped as well. For $6.20, you can get 2 of the Febreze plug scent refills and the plug. Now, if you don't want to get the plug, you can just get the 2 refills, or if you don't have that plug coupon anymore and pay just $6. You can get 4 of the Gain Flings using the 4 for $12 coupon and pay $10.95. You can also get 1 of the Flings, 1 of the softener, the beads, and the sheets for $8.85. Now on those, you need to make sure you're scanning. I will have that information at the end of the video as well. Our next deal is $2. You can get 2 of the Mr. Clean liquid. They're $4 each according to my area. The 6 off 2 and pay $2. Or you can get a Mr. Clean liquid and the 550 size of the Mr. Clean eraser and pay just $3.50. And lastly, here are some important tips to keep in mind when couponing. First of all, the Palmer's Complexion Bar that I have in the deal here, I had to go in through the coupon itself. So I clicked on the Palmer's coupon and looked at eligible products, and that's when it showed me the complexion bar that was attaching. When I just search Palmer's, it shows the same complexion bar, but it is not attaching. So make sure you're scanning that in store if you're going to do that deal or use it in any of your own deals. For the Gain that is using the 4 for $12 coupon, make sure you're scanning the cents, because some scents attach to like the $1.05 coupon and some scents do not. Some scents will not attach to either coupon. So keep that in mind. That's very important when you're couponing for any item, not just this Gain. And when you are couponing at Dollar General, if you have previously earned cash back, I don't know if you realize this, or if you're new, you wouldn't know, but you can use that cash back towards your next purchase. They just have to scan your phone, the barcode that comes up, and use it as a gift card. If you would like to hear more information about that or have us talk about that a little bit more, please let me know in the comments. Also, let me know, were you excited for this week's coupons? Give me a thumbs up, leave me those comments. Be sure you subscribe so you get notified when we put out new content. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back with the next big deal. Bye, guys.